As you move past the age of 50, the physiological demands of running require adjustments in training intensity, recovery, goal setting, and mental outlook. Running Past 50 offers a guide to addressing those demands so you can continue to enjoy, compete, and excel in the sport you love. Caolan MacMahon is an accomplished runner and coach and shares practical advice in this book. Her personal stories will guide and inspire you to set realistic yet challenging goals, adapt to the body's changing realities, including the female-specific changes brought on by menopause, identify the building blocks of successful training, establish and maintain an aerobic base, maximize training while minimizing injury, and incorporate rest and recovery more effectively into workouts or training cycles. You'll also find 10-week training programs for beginner, intermediate, and advanced runners aiming to conquer a 5K or 10K, a half marathon program for novice and intermediate runners, and 18-week training programs for marathon beginners, intermediate, and advanced marathoners and ultramarathoners. Running Past 50 will help you achieve your goals by making the necessary shifts in thinking and training that lead to personal bests, fewer injuries, and a lifetime of running. Get your copy on the Human Kinetics website, us.humankinetics.com.